My video will help you to get rid of another scary alert that actually comes from the site Abyssinianunification.store. Frankly speaking, the name of this website, of course, does not make any sense. But Abyssinianunification.store is a real website, of course. It tries to mislead you and to make you waste your money for nothing. The pop-up claims that your subscription to some well-known program has expired. But the point is that people may have never had such a program installed on their computers before. And if you start interacting with these pop-ups, if you click on Renew Subscription button, then you will be redirected to some other questionable websites that may promote some totally different and potentially unwanted software. In the light of this information, we strongly urge you not to interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. They are absolutely faulty, and you should not trust these deceptive messages. I recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website, the official page, combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus using a special green download button. Install Combo Cleaner Antivirus into your computer, and then begin researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.